Dad Doodles, let's draw today. Sketch it out the fun Dad way.
Hey everyone, this is Jake from Dad Doodles, and today we're going to be drawing Pikachu. Here's a quick preview of what it will look like when it's done. We'll start by doing a rough pencil sketch. Then we'll outline him in marker. And finally, we'll color him. Okay, we're going to start out by doing a rough circle right here. Now let's just round out his cheeks a little bit like this. Now I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Keep in mind you can pause and rewind the video if you need more time. Now I'm going to draw a tiny oval shape right in the center of his head for his nose. We'll come down off the center of his nose and then draw a curved shape off to the right. And again on the left side. Let's draw a circle right here for his right eye. And another circle for his left eye. Now we'll draw another smaller circle for the highlights in his eyes. And again over here. Now we'll need to draw a half circle on the side of his cheeks for the red spots. We're going to draw a long curved line right here for his right ear. And another curved line right here to close out his ear. Let's do a curved line right here for the black spot. Now we'll do the same thing on this side. I'll just clean up that line with an eraser. Now we'll draw a long S-curve right here for the side of his body. And again on this side. We'll draw a long C-curve right here to start his foot. Let's make 2 more bumps to finish his toes. Now we'll come around right here to finish his foot. Let's do the same thing on the left side now. Ooh, those don't match. Let's fix that. Okay, let's get started on his hands now. We're gonna draw a long curved line right here. Let's put a smaller one right here. Let's draw 5 little spikes to connect the arm. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm just drawing some lines to finish up the body. Okay, let's get ready to draw some zigzag lines for his lightning bolt tail. We're going to do a small jagged line for the bottom of his tail. All right, our rough sketch is done. Let's get ready to outline him with some black marker. Just a few more finishing touches. I'll start by outlining the left side of his body. If you like this video so far, drop a comment on who I should draw next. Smooth, confident strokes. This is where the magic happens. Clean up those edges. His head's starting to look good now. Can't forget those cheeks. Time to make those eyes pop. I'm doing my best to make the eyes match. I'm going to hand draw in the brown part of his eye. Let's get that little black nose. Wow, he's really starting to come together. Let's finish up his feet. I'm really curious what your Pikachu is going to look like. Drop a picture in the comments below. Okay, let's finish up his tail and then we get on to the coloring. Wow, Pikachu's popping off the page. I can't wait to see what he looks like with some color. Be sure to erase all the pencil marks before you start coloring. Well, here he is. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe for more content.
Dad Doodles, let's draw today. Sketch it out the fun that way.